Welcome students. In this video, we are going to learn about the examples of the neutralization in our daily life. If you have not seen my previous videos, so please see the previous videos first and then you will see this video so you will understand that how we are using this reaction in our daily life. So we are going to start this video neutralization. First of all, we have already discussed about the neutralization reaction. What do you mean by neutralization reaction? Okay, so when the acids and the bases, when the acid and base react with each other, they are cancelling each other's effect, and that is why, as a result of that, the product is formed that is salt and that is neutral in nature. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. So now we will see that how we are using this neutralization reaction in our daily life. So we will see a few examples. First example that I want to share with you, that is indigestion. Everybody knows what is indigestion. So what do you mean by that? You know, in your stomach you have acid. Which acid? That is HCl. Okay, so our stomach produces hydrochloric acid which helps in digestion our food without harming the stomach. The excess of acid in the stomach causes indigestion, which produces pain and irritation. The person who has excess acid in the stomach is also said to suffer from acidity. That is a common word that we are using. In order to cure indigestion and get rid of pain, we can take bases. And what we are calling them? We are calling them antacids. Okay. So, antacids, what are these antacids? So, these antacids are a group of mild bases which have no toxic effects on the body. Being basic in nature, antacids react with excess acids in stomach and neutralize it. This gives relief to the person concerned. A common antacid used for curing indigestion due to acidity is milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia contains a base called magnesium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide neutralizes the excess acid present in the stomach, which I said that is my hydrochloric acid. Okay, and cures indigestion. So now you know that what you are doing when you are suffering from acidity. Clear? So the stomach contains hydrochloric acid that helps to digest food. But presence of too much acid in the stomach may lead to indigestion, and that can be relieved by taking an antacid such as milk of magnesia. And what is this milk of magnesia? It is containing magnesium hydroxide. Again, you can see the hydroxide, that means it is a base, and you are having in your stomach that is acid. So again, recall the definition of the neutralization: when the acid reacts with base. Okay, so acids you are already having in your stomach and base you are taking in the form of antacid. That is my magnesium hydroxide. And these two will combine and they will form the neutral, that is the salt. Okay, and then you will get relief. Then the salt will be formed, you will get relief from the pain that you were having before that. Okay, so this is my neutralization reactions. First example that we can see in our daily life. And the second very common example, that is ant bite. Okay, so what is ant and how it bites you? So when any ant bites, injector means they are biting you, they are injecting formic acid. Okay, they are inserting the formic acids in your body, and because of this formic acid, where it is present in the sting, the sharp pointed, you can see in the picture, the sharp pointed end. Okay, so this is called a sting, and the formic acid they are injecting in our body through this sting. In then what happened, because of the effect of the formic acid injected into your body can be nullified. What will you do if any ant will bite you? Nullify means cancel out, okay? So you can cancel the effect of this formic acid by rubbing any base. That you can use the moist baking soda. As I already told you, you will not use in the form of powder. Okay, so you will use the moist baking soda. What is baking soda? It is my sodium hydrogen carbonate. Clear? So you can use that, or you can use the calamine solution. And what is calamine solution? It is also containing a base, that is my zinc carbonate. Alright, so now you know that whenever you are having this kind of problem, like ant bites you, and then what will you do? You will just rub the moist baking soda, or you can use the calamine solution, okay, to nullify the effect of that acid on your body, and you will get the relief from that pain. In next example, we can see that the soil treatment. Okay, so what do you mean by the soil treatment? Means if the excessive use of chemical fertilizers in the soil increase the acidity of the soil, then we have to make the soil suitable for the growth of the plant. Okay, so plants cannot grow in that acidic atmosphere, or if the soil is too basic, only then the plant cannot survive. Okay, so both the atmosphere, the medium is not suitable for the plants to survive or to grow. So we have to check that with acid or a base medium in that soil, what is present in the excess amount. So I told you earlier that many chemicals like the acids were used for making the fertilizers. So if you're using the fertilizers, that means we are adding the acids in the soil. So there may be chances of increased amount of the acids in the soil. Clear? So these acids which are not suitable for proper growth of plants, so we can say that plants cannot grow well. They will grow, but they will not grow well from they will not grow well when the soil is too basic. Okay, so both the medium. So too much acidity of the soil is neutralized by using the bases, and if the soil is basic, so we can use acids. Clear? So how we can do that? So too much acidity of the soil is neutralized using bases like quicklime. Quicklime is like calcium oxide or slaked lime, that is called the calcium hydroxide. Whereas too much basicity of soil is neutralized by using organic matter that releases acids and thereby neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. So now you understood that if we know that something is suffering from this problem, suppose we are suffering from acidity, so we will use base. If the soil is too basic, we should use some organic matter that will provide the acids to them, and that will maintain the pH, okay, pH of the soil. Now the next is factory waste. It is very important to know about that, because it is creating problem in the water, in the soil, everywhere. So the wastes excreted out of factories are highly acidic, and they cause threat to the survival of the marine ecosystem. Release of these acidic waste into the water bodies kills fish and other organisms, due to which the factory wastes are properly neutralized by adding basic substances. Clear? So before throwing them, before releasing them from the factories, we should treat them. We should treat them to remove the excess amount of the acids in them. That is why they will create a less problem for us. Otherwise, what will happen? The amount of the acid they will release in the water, the animals, those who are living in the water bodies, they will die. Okay, that will be very dangerous for you to survive in this acidic medium. So now we have studied few examples of the neutralization reaction that we can see in our daily life. Alright, so I hope you have understood this very well, and now you can revise all the topics by watching all the videos of this chapter. Thank you for watching.